Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today we're going to demonstrate how crawl control can benefit you and your off-roading vehicle. And we're going to demonstrate it in this new Lexus LX 600 2022. So as I walk around this LX 600, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you why you would want to use crawl control. We'll tell you how to get the system activated, how to engage the system so you can use it. And then we'll do a short demo, not in a huge hill, probably a small one like this one. I just want to show you how it works so you know what to feel, what to hear, and what it can do for you so you're ready for your next obstacle. Crawl control is a low speed cruise control, and you use it to get through slippery conditions, hills, things like that. Maybe snow, whatever you want. And you could find it down here, like you see a center locking differential in this LX 600. You could have a knob that turns it. You could have a button that controls it. It could be up above here, like you see a locking rear differential sometimes, and sometimes you'll see the crawl control and the multi-terrain select, either button or you'll see a knob. So right here, this is going to be downhill assist control or crawl control. Here's how you get the system working. First of all, you're going to want to be in low four-wheel drive. So what we do is we're going to put it into neutral, switch over to low four-wheel drive, and then we're going to make sure that the crawl has been pushed, but you can't do that until you put it into drive. It allows you to move. That's what the system does, and you can control the speed settings that you want your crawl at, but you're going to be able to focus on your steering as you get through that obstacle. You don't have to worry about both. The first thing you want to do is find where your crawl control system is in your vehicle. Sometimes it's paired with another system. In this case, DAC, downhill assist control. So if I want crawl, I'm going to push that and hope it works, but it won't because the default is in green, downhill assist control. It's helping you get down the hill. So we'll turn that off and we're going to put it into neutral because this is what we have to do. Put it in neutral. This is a full-time four-wheel drive, so it's in high four right now. You want to push it in low. And here's what we see. So now we're going to put it into drive. And then we're going to come over here, push this again. Oh, we're in crawl control. So watch as we go up this hill. Look, I'm focused on my steering. My foot's not on the pedal. Get your foot on the pedal tonight, make my day. So see, we're just at really, really low speeds right now. Just like that to get up this obstacle. And look, our system is showing us we're in crawl right there. And we can see along the side of us on our multi-terrain monitor and in front of us. That could help. It sees underneath the vehicle so you know from that angle what you're getting into. Next question is, can this work in reverse? Well, let's try it. We've got it in neutral, so we're going to move that to reverse. We're going to also push crawl. And you can see here, we've got crawl on. Our pitch and roll meter right here. Look at that, low speed, cruise control. You can see crawl is right there. You can see our pitch, our roll, but it does work in reverse as well. Another thing I'd like to point out is that you can control the speeds. If you notice here, we're on the lowest setting. What you do, find out where you control it. In this case, it's mode select. So see, we twist that, and then you can see you're going up in speed. We can even go much faster here. Low speed. So you can get up a little bit quicker if that's possible. So let's try this one right here. We're just going to get it in low, get it in cruise, and then go up this hill very slowly. Here we go. I'm focusing on my steering. So we can get up this hill. nice and easily. And like I said, I know that's not the world's most monumental, fearsome obstacle. It's just an example to show you what you can do when the time is right. So don't make fun of me. Yes, I know your Chevette can do that hill too. Thanks for watching, everybody. What do you think of crawl control? Have you used it in your vehicle? What vehicle do you have where you tested it out? And would you use this on future vehicles? How could you use crawl control to help you? Anyway, thanks so much for watching. My two channels are Toyota Jeff Reviews and Auto Jeff Reviews. We look at all manufacturers on Auto Jeff Reviews, and then we focus in on the Toyota brand, the Lexus brand on Toyota Jeff Reviews. So thanks so much. Hit subscribe. You can join either one of those. You can see the link to the other channel right up there. And then also I'm on Instagram and TikTok at Auto Jeff Reviews and at Toyota Jeff Reviews. Thanks, everybody. See you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please check out my suggested videos right here. You might be interested, or particular playlists. And hit subscribe to both of my channels, Toyota Jeff Reviews and Auto Jeff Reviews. Especially keep watching if you like the view. Whistle if you see something you like. Thanks, everybody, so much. See you next time.